There are so many amazing destinations we can visit in 2023. If you are only planning your next getaway, take some inspiration from the top 5 luxury destinations around the world. Whether you are dreaming of champagne in a 5-star spa hotel or plotting an escape to a secluded island, in this video, you will know about the places that you should consider in 2023. Welcome back to Epic Luxury Travel and Lifestyle. Number 5. Pink Granite Coast, France. This beautiful city in France is known for its stunning pink rocks and coastlines. The pink granite coast Côte Granite Rose is a must-see when passing through Perros-Guirec. Plominac is an excellent location for this. Before you go, check the tide schedules to see if you may walk over the bottom of the sea between the rose granite rocks at low tide. It's a beautiful coppery pink that glows in the sunshine. From Brad to Treburden, the pink granite coast stretches out in a series of remarkable curves facing a chain of islands and islets, beside fine sandy beaches sheltered by pines. At Port Blanc and Plougrescant, the background changes with the tides. This trip is great for a couple's getaway and has many luxurious nature walks, a lot of heritage, and a beautiful coastal climate. Enjoy a one-of-a-kind stay when you visit the pink granite coast in France and enjoy the luxury of Mother Nature. Number 4. Napa Valley, California, United States. If you're looking for something luxurious but a little more laid back, consider visiting world-renowned wine country in Napa Valley, California. Napa Valley is also distinct because it contains volcanic soils, which impart a flavor to the wines that is unique to this region. Volcanic materials also provide some of the world's most fertile soils. To make it better, Napa Valley has sunny skies nearly year-round, making it an ideal destination no matter the season. Enjoy a Michelin star restaurant, high-end hotels, and spas with your stay. Number 3. Dubai, UAE. Dubai is one of the top luxury travel destinations in the world. Historic sites, contemporary architecture, a vibrant nightlife, and out-of-this-world attractions can all be found in Dubai. Dubai is a terrific tourist destination with its stunning, sparkling skyscrapers, state-of-the-art structures, magnificent beaches and sand dunes, fine cuisine, fabulous all-inclusive accommodation options, shopping at Dubai Mall, and adrenaline-filled adventures. Dubai's landmark building and major tourist attraction is the Burj Khalifa, which at 829.8 meters is the tallest building in the world and the most famous of the city's points of interest. For most visitors, a trip to the observation deck on the 124th floor here is a must-do while in the city. Number 2. Dijon, France. Instead of Paris, you can treat yourself to the unique cultural and architectural heritage of the city of Dijon. Dijon is known for its hot cuisine and lifestyle that has one of the best vineyards in all of France. Every year in the Northern Hemisphere fall, Dijon hosts an international and gastronomic fair. The town's historic with many bell towers, heritage, and art museums, making it a unique luxury destination for 2023. Number 1. New Orleans, Louisiana, US. Live in the States but looking for a trip that feels like Europe? Head to New Orleans, LA to get a taste of another world. New Orleans is packed with historical venues, statues, and buildings that will transport you to another time with all the luxury of modern day. From the French Quarter to the Garden District, you can see 17th century French architecture and European-style square. You can also enjoy live jazz, the famous gin fizz, and plenty of bars and restaurants for seafood, absinthe, and whiskey connoisseurs alike, and many are open until 4 a.m. Hope you guys like this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.